In front of me is OnePlus 5T, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. First of all, open Settings and tap on Bluetooth and Device Connection. Then select Bluetooth at the top, and if it's not already on, click on this switcher at the top of it. Then hit Pair New Device and wait for available ones to show up. When they do, tap on the one that you wish to connect to. Hit Pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!